In this video, we will show you how to disable method connection in Windows 11. A method connection is an internet connection that has data limit or quota, meaning you are charged extra for exceeding the limits. It's like a cell phone or like your regular data like that. Okay, to disable your method connection, just select settings. Okay, find settings. You can using this search, or you can using this Windows icon and select settings. Okay, I prefer using Windows search in here. After you select settings, select network and internet. Okay, the method connection have on Wi-Fi and also cable connection. You can disable for both. For example, for Wi-Fi, because I'm using Wi-Fi for now, you can just click this Wi-Fi and select your Wi-Fi name. Okay, this is Wi-Fi name properties. Okay, and select method connection here. Okay, just toggle off to disable your method connection. Back into network and internet. And for the cable connection, if you're using cable connection, select Ethernet here. And for method connection, toggle off here. And after that, your method connection for cable connection and Wi-Fi connection has been disabled. Sometimes method connection is blocking your application, so you can just disable it. Hope this video helpful for you.